Hello, welcome to episode 1 of Inside Your Car. This is the series where we explain to you everything you need to know about the car parts that your mechanic is fitting to your car. Throughout the series we're going to be talking about various parts from your engine, brakes, steering, suspension, everything you need to know. In this episode, we're talking about spark plugs. Now, the spark plug plays a vital role inside every petrol engine. Inside all engines there are pistons moving up and down thousands of times every minute. As the pistons come down, an air and fuel mixture passes into the chamber. Piston then comes back up again. The spark plug ignites that air and fuel mixture, creating a big bang. That big bang is what pushes the pistons back down again, and the cycle just carries on. As is too often the case with modern engines, spark plugs live under a sea of plastic. What I'm going to do now is remove the plastic trims, remove the ignition coil, which is what lives on top of the spark. That's what gives the spark plug the electricity to create the spark. And then I'll show you a breakdown of how it all works. So the spark plug is basically a piece of metal going through the middle of a ceramic coating. This is where the end of the ceramic coating comes out. And this is the gap here that the spark jumps. And what it's doing is the electricity fed through the top, through the middle of the ceramic, jumps this gap and jumps to ground because the spark plug is screwed into the cylinder head, which is the top part of the engine. As you can see from the old one, this one is it's got a lot of carbon on it, a lot of soot build up. It's not too bad. There's some slight discoloration at the bottom of the ceramic here where it meets the metal. That is normal. Sometimes you see that a lot worse than that. These can also go very rusty with water and condensation build up in the spark plug wells. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next week's video.